How do you fix Age of History 2 Definitive Edition is crashing on Steam? First, you want to go to your Steam library, right click on the game and open up the properties. Then in the General tab, Launch Options, you want to add -DX11. Next, you want to click on Installed Files and verify the game files. And once you're done, you can close Steam and then open up a browser tab and search for Redist. Click on the first link. And from this table here, you'll need to get the 86 installer and the 64, both of them. And once you finish the redistributables installation, you will need to reboot your computer. And after the restart, you want to also check if you have the latest GPU driver updates, whether you have NVIDIA app or AMD software, depending on your GPU. Check for updates from the app and install them. Next, you want to open up Steam, but run it as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your Steam library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.